For the first look, I've got this maroon jersey and these black tights with my black pants, and just pairing it with the red jacket, which is the main fashion accessory. I I love this look because you can rock this for work or for a lunch date. Hey, and maybe a casual, date, like maybe going to the movies. Yeah, I really like it. It's simple but you know elegant. Yeah, so it's one of my favorite looks because I love tights. Actually, I prefer tights than jeans. So yeah. Okay, so now the stress. Ooh, I love the stress. I made the stress. Oh yes. So now I've got three pairs of shoes here because I don't know. I feel like they all work with the stress, but yeah, I'm not sure which one will actually make the outfit pop the most. So I'm gonna start with the pair on the left, to the left, to the left. These brown boots. I remember these boots. I got them from Zando. I bought them with my e-bucks. So I had to decide whether I was going to use my e-bucks to put in petrol or to get a pair of shoes. So clearly the shoes won. Now for the main accessory, the jacket. Ooh, jacket. Yes. The jacket just finishes the look. Ooh. Oh, this just looks also sexy, like with the jacket. And oh, if you're looking at me from behind, you'd think I was about to put on a peep show for somebody. But yeah, oh, I think I'm not even gonna try on the other pairs of shoes. I think the boots just do it all for this outfit. I think it has to do with the fact that, well, this dress has a lot of brown in it. So yeah, and also my skin tone. So the whole brown just works together. So the dress, my skin tone, they were just like same WhatsApp group. Yeah. Now the second look is also same set of pumps and tights, and now it's just with the lace top. So the lace just adds a bit more, something more interesting. So get our jacket on and ready to go out. I don't know where we're going right now, but somebody just called me and we'll be out somewhere. In this outfit. I got this top from Pip. It was like, I think it was like 60 rand, and these tights are from Woolworths, and I believe the shoes are from Mr. Price. I tend to buy a lot of my shoes from Mr. Price, so yeah. And obviously the jacket, that is also from Truitt's Ltd. So yeah, it's quite a nice look. I love it. Okay, next we have this outfit, this dress. I made it. I think it's a simplicity or new look pattern that I used, but yeah, love this dress. So I can, yeah, I love this dress, and almost forgot. The dress is not the main focus. The main focus is the jacket. So you can see, there we go with our jacket. feeling very churchy in this, but also going to work. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be warm this winter in this outfit because I've got my polo neck on and this jacket is warm. I'm one of those people who easily get cold, like slight breeze, and I'm looking for my cardigan. I always have like at least 3 jerseys or jackets in my car at all times, in addition to 5 pairs of shoes. So yes, the shoes are towards leggings, towards jacket, towards. Hey, I'm wearing towards, but except for the dress, of course. But yeah, we're lucky. We're lucky. So definitely going to be rocking this to work or church. Yeah, this is a very simple black dress, and it's from Mr. Price, and it comes, it pops when I put on the red jacket. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, look at this. See, this is why I love this red jacket, because it really takes something like this dress is like a really simple black dress, but with the jacket plus the length of the jacket, it just makes my outfit look chic and elegant and vavavoom. Yeah, hence I say you gotta have a red jacket. It's a must. It's just one of those things that, well, you can either save up to get a really good quality one, or could make one, well, I didn't make one because I already had one, but it's kind of it is small for me now, so I'm probably going to be sewing the red jacket same length, definitely, because the length actually does make a difference to the outfit. Yeah. Oh, this looks so boring. Like it needs a bit of light. Like it needs to be woke. Definitely. Hence, I got the red jacket. So the red jacket. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. So the red jacket does it again. Of course, we are not surprised at this point in time. We know the red jacket brings a life to the dead outfit. Of course, yes, yes, great. Hmm. I don't know, maybe tucked in. Don't know. Don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's put on the jacket. We can figure it out. Okay. Just gonna button it closed. Your jacket is not the only thing that has gotten this small. We have put on some healthy weight. Yes, I have put on some healthy weight. Yes, I have put on some healthy weight. And I'm not hating on it. I'm not hating on this, healthy weight that I have picked up in the last few months. Yeah. So I think this works better just tucked in. Yeah. It just looks more together and professional. Yeah. Another office look, of course, but with style. Thanks to the red jacket, of course. Gotta give props. With props. I deserve. Yes. Oof, these buttons looks like they're about to pop if I just breathe wrong at this point in time. I have to watch my breathing if I wore this top in public, because I might just blind somebody with these buttons. Another office look. It's about to get cold. Yeah, so gonna need a jacket, obviously. Ooh. And I need a jacket. Okay, this needs to be buttoned up all the way. Like, as much as I love this shirt, I feel like it could have used like a lot more buttons than they put in. Like, I feel like they really skimmed on the buttons, and some of us cannot afford to be wearing tops that might be, missing like 3 buttons or more. We need to have all our buttons in our shirts. But anyway, I'm still gonna wear this shirt. Yeah. It goes well with the jacket. Yes, we are ready to go to the office and do the things. Go in that paper. Yes, thanks to the jacket. Yes, the jacket does it again. Definitely does it again. Yeah, probably could use an iron, but sort of have like an allergy for the iron. Yeah, so anyway. Oh, this dress, I made it. I made this dress. Oh my gosh, my time with this red jacket is really at an end. I need to find it. Well, I need to make it a replacement soon. Very, very, very soon. Soon as I can get nice proper red material like this. This is, what do they call this? I forgot what they call this material, so I need to find this material and then I'll get started with making a replacement for this jacket. But I will make sure this goes to a good home, where it will be utilized properly to its full potential, because as you have seen, the red jacket has so much potential, to just bring life to your outfit. Yeah. Well, my goodness. Mm, mm, I'm probably gonna really have a hard time, giving this jacket away, like a really, really hard time. I have to make sure that the jacket that I made really outshines this one. Otherwise, I don't see myself parting with this jacket, honestly. Like, I don't see it happening. But anyway, guys, thank you for making it till the end. So you know what to do. Subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll do this again.